Wow, this is an interesting video, and there's a lot of public upset about it. But I have a few questions. Why didn't he shoot the first dog? Why did he only shoot the second dog? That's what I want to know. And I'm not supporting what the cop did here, but it's a serious question. Why didn't he shoot the first dog? Why only the second dog?
Get back! Get back!
14, I'm good.
Get me a bunch of cars out here. We got a bunch of people coming out. Get back!
You stupid fuck! You killed my dog!
Get back!
Why did you do it?
Damn, get back! Okay, your dog charged me. Get back.
You fucker! No, all these people seen that! That dog is harmless!
Okay. Get, ma'am.
No,
I need you to get back. Ma'am, I need you to get back. Oh my God! We're catching her!
I want your name, I want your badge, everything!
Palmer,
Oh my God,
101.
why couldn't you let her?
Everybody get back! Everybody get back! Get back! Everybody get back!
Don't walk over there.
Okay, get back! Do not touch! Get back! Get back! Everybody get back! Everybody get back! Okay, I appreciate it. Get back! Get back! Everybody get back!
So get back!
Everybody get back! Get back!
You're a bitch. I ain't a bitch. Like you a bitch. I got you
Get back! Everybody get back! I appreciate it. Everybody get back!
I got bond money. What you talking about?
Public sidewalk. It's a public sidewalk.
It's
a public sidewalk.
Don't touch me.
I got you on camera.
I
I'm
appreciate
filing a lawsuit on your ass.
Okay, sit
He
tight.
shot her! He wasn't going after him! He shot her 4 times!
You better fucking pay for it.
Everybody get back!
There's no fucking.
Get back! Everybody get back!
That is not done.
I got it on camera. I got it on camera. You're about to lose your job. I got it on camera. About to lose your fucking job.
Just pulled up.
Everybody get back!
Hey, you! Someone shot me! You stupid gun! She wasn't even going after you! She was going across the street! I hope you lose your fucking job!
Let's not stand around them while they're arguing. Okay. So what ended up happening?
So I never really like it when especially in a situation like this. I mean, there's a lot of hostility on this scene, and you have police officers muting their body cameras, and I'm never a big fan of that.